Ka parti UDP kam don kano ka chingate halor ka chingpen kalai kan hun menteri hapedeng ki khat arngut ki MLA jong ka parti Henry menteri Kyrmen Shylla ulapan pau bololong ubala koloi ban ko ngu ya krai jong ka parti uba Kyrmen Shylla ula ong bawat la kam don kum kata ka chingate hapo ka parti Henry ula ong bololong ubala koloi ban le kat kum ka jing tha jong ka parti lana ki kwa ban penlong ya ka jing pen kala Halor ka jing pendap ya ka kam General Secretary ula ong bakarai ka syong hau President pat kat bala penlong ya ka wat ka baningkong ka jing ekren ka badangsa and septeng pat hakawat ka baar.
Proposal or arrangement?
I have not heard it. Till date, we have not heard about it. So, we believe hope is not there. If it is there also, we don't mind because we all 12, we are like brothers. So, we work like brothers, and if one brother get the benefits, if one brothers do better, we all are happy.
So we can say that in as far as the UDP is concerned, Kyrmen Shylla and Paul will continue as cabinet ministers till the end of this 5 years.
We have not decided. That's why for us from the beginning we have not decided after 2.5 years or after 3 years or 4 years or it will continue for 5 years. There's no discussion on this. It's just that we were accommodated as a minister, both of us, but we have not discussed because the party can take a call anytime. Since we have no agreement, so the party can take even after 1 year or so, still the party can take it away from us after 2.5 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. That depends on the party. We have no agreement, such kind of agreement. So that's why the party can take a call anytime. We need not wait for that 2.5 years or so, or we need not take any call after 2.5 years or so. The party has the rights to take a call anytime they feel needed.